Good morning. Oh, I've got things. You wait and see. Oh, plus some plastic bottles. Oh, just to go over the bamboo canes to protect the fleece. Very, very good top tip. I mean, I should have known that. I just didn't think. Not untypical. It's going to be a real quick one, but I do have pond plants. I think when I ordered them, it did kind of say that it wasn't going to send them until the last frost had happened. You can hear that. Rain again. Ugh. But they did come. I'm just getting them. Oh jeez. This is, I'll just show you what they would look, hopefully will look like. It's from a website called Plants for Ponds. Really, you know, it looks really good. I have emailed them saying I thought that they was going to be sent out a lot later because the plant's looking a little bit sad. I just need some advice, you know, like, will it survive? Should I? I'm thinking I'm going to put it in this bowl, so I'm going to get it out and kind of semi-submerge it and keep it in the shed. I don't know. Let's just do that and see what happens. Oh, come and have a closer look. I just no, let's just put that down there. So this is what, I mean, it had 3 leaves on it, but I did take them off. But I don't think this leaf's going to survive the in transit. It was well protected, you know. I have no complaints. It's just yeah. I just don't. It's a very new thing, so I'm not sure if these will survive. I hope so. For the love of God, they cost enough. And I can't quite remember how much they cost, but I will put it there. But yeah, it's a lot cheap. It wasn't as cheap as Amazon, but Amazon wasn't. I wanted UK native plants, and this is what this is. On Amazon, it was all non-UK native, and I really didn't want that. Not for a UK pond. It's got to be just for the ecosystem and all that kind of stuff, and for frogs. You know, it just felt right that it should be UK native, and it has a passport and all that kind of stuff. I mean, you know, you're paying for decent care. But I also got these. Let's just zimmy in that. It's a pack of 5. The hornwort. Let's put it down. So I'm going to get these out and put them. And we got this is shed water, so the temperature's not going to be drastic. But I can't put them in the pond yet. That's as far as that's what I understand. And they are. I mean, presumably I take off this tape or whatever it is when I'm ready to. I mean, I don't know. I can do that now, couldn't I? It's not tape actually, it's some sort of metal. I'm just going to carefully lay them in because they're free floating, these hornworts, oxygenating plants. Hopefully these will be okay. Oh, it's really coming down, the weather. I hope you can hear that. You should be able to. Oh, come and have a look. Oh no. I hope you can pick that up. Wow, lots of people got caught in that. Oh dear. Right, I'm glad I've got this shed. Oh, I do love the sound. If anything, it's getting actually harder. Right, it's probably quite dark in here, but let's just get this shed temperature water. I mean, I don't know if this is the right thing, but I can't imagine letting them dry out is a good idea. Surely submerging them partially. Yeah, I'm going to fill this up. I won't take you with me because it's very wet, and I'll probably not fill that up till tomorrow just because I want it to, I don't want it to be too, oh, I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Right, let's just go and fill that up. I am on a time schedule. Oh, what else did I have? Oh, this is what I wanted to talk about. So I'll fill the water in a bit. I'll wait till the end, since I'm not going to be filming that because the weather is atrocious. So yeah, you would have seen my chitin seeds at home. So I've brought home. Oh, God, it feels like home. I brought back to the shed the what were these again? Oh, cucumber seedlings that have germinated. And now, do I have time to do that? That is the question. Right, shed plants. Let's put over here. In fact, by the window, I'm guessing. Just move stuff. Well, this is why you need a shed, isn't it? Sheds are so important. Let's just leave that there. Look, I'll show you quick. Hopefully it will survive. I have reached out to the company and I'll let you know what they say. So I've just used all that up. Great. Oh, these can go in my metal recycling, these thingy-majiggies. What clips, whatever they were. The rain's kind of eased off. Okay, right, I've got to put my gloves on because I am going to work after this. Keep an eye on the time. Just need to pot these up quickly, these cucumbers. How many have I got? 5. So it's exciting, the chitin seeds. I'm really loving it. Let's put gloves on. Can I squeeze a coffee in? What do you think? Throw that in the cup. My one and only Monge 2s growing. I'm definitely going to chit Monge 2. I mean, I can see that actually working. Right. Ooh, sunshine. Oh, come quick, have a look, quick look. Oh, beautiful. I wish I was staying. Oh, have a slurp. Yeah, that rain. Hoo-hoo. You need that shed. You need a shed. See you. Have a good weekend. Put them there. Ho-ho, cucumbers. Obviously, I'm going to keep everything in the shed for as long as possible. Well, I've kind of got a track record for that, but bearing in mind what the RHS said about the slugs and snails, one of the best ways of, you know, avoiding them is just keeping your seedlings a little bit longer indoors, shed or wherever. Obviously hardening off if you need to. I think Charles Dowden doesn't really believe in hardening off. I might have to look that up and see whether or not he's right. Be interesting because it is a bit of a process. I'll get water and water them. I do want to. I have to watch the time. What is the time? Right, okay, we're all right. We're all right. Right, last one. And then I'll take back, because it's beetroot that's in that chitin box thingy. Yeah, take the beetroot back and carry on, because it stays wet inside the box, which is something that I didn't really realise, because they don't. Oh no, the beetroot ones have germinated. Right, I'll try and show you. The light might be very poor. I don't know if you can see that, but they actually, and do you know what? They hadn't germinated yesterday, because I did check. I don't think they're all germinated. I might leave them here. Oh no, what do I do? I haven't got time to... I could maybe put the ones that have germinated. I need my glasses. Right. Glasses. Well, I didn't expect that, I've got to be honest. Maybe put them in one whole pot and then transplant. You can, I think you can, beetroot, yeah. They don't mind being moved. Oh, I've got a bigger pot. Okay. So, a big tray. Might need some, what's the word? Potting on compost soon. I'm just going to drop them in because they're not... Here, I'll let you look close up because they've all chitted. You're right about needing tweezers. I did think about bringing mine, but I didn't. I forgot. Well, that's pretty darn good. Let's just cover them over. Right, I need to go and get water. I'll be back in a tick. Oh, this is where it's a bit tricky because I don't actually have a little watering can. I do need one. Never mind. Right, let's just move that. I will label these, but not now. I'll know what they are because I've luckily, that's the beauty of video recording, you're going to remember. So these are the cucumbers. A mental note, don't forget. I think everything else will be all right. Let's just up the water of the pond plants a little bit. I'm not sure if that's the right thing to do, but I hope so. Quickly. Oh, what were these again? Oh, these are the sunflowers. Look at them. I hope you can see that. Let's have a quick. The leaves have appeared. Fantastic. Right, I'm going to get more water, but I think I might leave it there. Oh, hold up, quick slurp. It's a really fast one, I'm sorry about that. Short and sweet. Oh, look at the horseradish. That's actually growing like the clappers. I will, with the horseradish, a lot of you said, apparently, and you're right, apparently they go wild if planted, they can take over your plot or wherever. So they're best planted in a big pot, probably in the ground. So yeah, I'm going to source a big pot to plant them somewhere. Yeah. Oh, nice. I only need to fill water to keep in the shed so it's at shed temperature for when I come back on the next vlog. I think everything, because it's got vermiculite in the soil, it doesn't lose the moisture. So I hope you have a great day, weekend, week, whenever you happen to be watching this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Bit of progress. I'm pleased with the seeds and the pond plants. Touch wood that they survive. They'll be in the pond soon. Anyway, thanks again. Bye. Not sure if you can see me, but I'm so excited. I'm like a kid in a sweetie shop. Honestly, this is the best thing ever. Those sweet peas are germinated on the 11th, and it's now the 16th. Wow, they germinated. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Look, I'll show you. I mean, you should be able to see that. It's, yeah, I've honestly, sweet peas, me and sweet peas, ho, nemesis. I mean, the story's not over yet because obviously I've got to grow them, but the actual germination is incredible. I am so impressed, and they look quite, you know, they just look like a, yeah, I mean, it's just great. So I'm going to actually, I am at home, obviously. It's going to be, it's a Saturday, so this wouldn't, I wouldn't be getting to the allotment for till Monday. And these are at home, and you do need to put them in soil sort of pretty much straight away as soon as you see that they've germinated. So I have got this ready. I would normally like to have vermiculite in it, but that's at the shed, the allotment. This is my Taunton Dean. It's kind of doing okay. In fact, it's doing very well. It's still, you know, growing, but hard, I've just left it out. If there was a frost coming, I'd think I'd to put them in my little greenhouse. But yeah, and this was from my daughter for Mother's Day. I mean, look at this. How beautiful is this? Honestly, it's 5 foot by 5 foot, that rose. It's incredibly huge. It will be. So yeah, anyway, but let's crack on and get these in the thing, because this is going to be the end of the, well, you've just watched stuff at the shed. But I need to plant these, and I'll attach it to the end of the vlog. So let's get these in. That'll do. I'm going to put this on my windowsill. I don't know whether the compost isn't ideal. It's just normal compost. It's not the potting seed compost, you know. So it's not very fine. But never mind. Let's just see how they go, and we'll keep track of progress. This is yeah, back to the vlog because I've interrupted. Or this is at the very end. Anyway. Thanks for watching again. Take care. Bye.